morning, students. Welcome back to Wisdom Academy Education. Students, today I will discuss about 12th Zoology, human reproduction. Students, now I am going to discuss some introductory term about human reproduction. Students, you have known that before studying the human reproduction, some terms are to be discussed. Unisexual, first term is students, unisexual and sexual dimorphism. Students, what do you mean by unisexual? Unisexual means one sex is present. Sex means students, sex are two types, one is male and another is female. Unisexual means the individual which having only one type of sexual reproductive organs. That means the individual which having one type of sex organs, that is known as unisexual. What is if an organism contain both sex organs, like male and female organs are contained by organisms, that organisms are known as hermaphrodite. Student, now unisexual means you can write the individual having only either sex organs. That means, suppose their sex are not separated. In case of human being, both male and female sex are present. Student, the appearance of male is different from appearance of female. So, not only the appearance of male and female is different, but also some physiological activities also differ by male and female sex in human beings, or physiological activities, mentally, social, all are differ by male and female in human cases. So, this type of known as dioecious nature. Dioecious nature means human have both sex like male and female. The separation of sex, male and female, separation of sex is known as dioecious. Separation of sexes is known as dioecious. Students, some terms. First term is known as dioecious. What do you mean by dioecious? The separation of sexes is known as dioecious. You can say male and female are dioecious in nature. So next, unisexual means single reproductive organism. The organism or the individual which have either sex organs, single sex reproductive organs are present, the individual, that is known as unisexual. If an organism contains both male and female sex, that is known as hermaphrodite. In human cases, the sex organs or reproductive organs are different by male and female. So this is not regarded as hermaphrodite. These are known as dioecious or sexual dimorphism. Human beings are referred as here sexual dimorphism. That means di means two, morphism means morphological characters. Students, we have seen the different morphological characters are seen by the human beings, male and female. Can male looks similar like female? No. Your answer is no. So that their morphological character also different two types differ by male and female. So these are known as human beings are known as sexual dimorphism. Two types are morphological character, different morphological character are seen in the human beings. So that is known as sexual dimorphism. Students, now I am going to discuss about how sexual reproduction taken place by the human beings. Reproductive system. Students, reproductive system in previous lectures, respiratory system, all respiratory organs are involved, excretory system, excretory organs are involved, likewise reproductive system, all reproductive organs are involved that constitute the reproductive system. In human beings, human reproduction, at first, male and female, two types of sex are present in a human. The symbol of male is like that means motile, movement in nature. This is female symbol. So, male and female, these are two different sexes are present. So, how they reproduce a new individual? At first, we have known about the gonads or reproductive organs. What are the reproductive organs of male? Students, reproductive organ or gonads, you can say gonad. Male or reproductive, what is the reproductive organ of gonads? Testes. That like gonads, testes. In case of female, the gonads of female is ovary. Students, testes creates some cells, that is sex cells, sperms, that is known as sperms. While ovary also produce some sex cells, that is known as ova or egg. These are the sex cells. Sex cells, or you can say gametes. These sex cells are known as gametes. The point is that gonads produce sex cells or gametes. Male gonad means testis is produce sperms, whereas female gonad or ovary is produce ova or egg, the sex cells. Testis produce which type of sex cells? Your answer will be sperm. Ovary produce dash sex cells, ova or egg. Next, gametes. Male gamete is sperm, female gamete is ova or egg. Next, student. Sperm is always haploid and egg is also haploid, that is N. Sperm and ova. Sperm is motile in nature, movement, where ova stationary. Ova cannot move. It is fixed. So the role of sperm is to move towards the ova. Sperm is move tends to ova. Why? Because ova is not tends to move due to these are stationary. Sperms are of motile nature. They can move. Sperm move. How sperm move to ova? How sperm and ova can connect the process? Ova and sperm. Ovary produces ova, testis produces sperms. Is a process that is known as gametogenesis. Gametogenesis. If testis produce sperm, that is spermogenesis. Spermogenesis. Ovary produce ova or egg, that is oogenesis. Next, when sperm and ova are mixed, so this will take place is fertilization. After fertilization, what will form? Zygote. That is diploid, 2N is formed, which is single-celled embryo also called. Single-celled embryo. Zygote is the combination of sperm and ova. How zygote or single-celled embryo is formed? By the process of insemination. Insemination. What do you mean by insemination? Where sperm is moved to ova through a female tract. So this is known as insemination. In which process insemination occur? That is known as coupling. Coupling, or you can say sexual intercourse. Sexual intercourse. If a male partner coupled with a female partner, then the sperm, the testis produce sperm, which goes to the ova of the female, which the sperms are goes to the ova in the female. Then the sperm and ova are fertilized to form zygote. Sperm is a haploid N, ova is also haploid N. Then after fertilization of sperm and ova, the zygote is produced. This zygote will be diploid, which is 2N. That is also known as single-celled embryo. Student, this is the schematic of reproduction system of a human. That is the structural. Again, I will repeat. Reproductive organs of male, or that is known as reproductive organs, are termed as gonads. The male gonad is testis, whereas female gonad is ovary. Testis produces sperms or sex cell. The male sex cell is known as sperm, that is also known as gametes. Sex cells are known as gametes. You can say the male gamete is sperm, where female gamete is ova. The process in which testis produce sperm, this process is known as spermogenesis. In case of female, the ovary produce ova or egg in a process. That process is known as oogenesis. Total process is known as gonads producing gametes. The process that is known as gametogenesis. You can say testis produce sperm is spermogenesis. Ovary produce ova or egg, that is oogenesis. Next, sperm and ova then fertilized. The process is known as fertilization. How fertilization will be possible? When there is sexual intercourse between male and female. If male and female are coupling or sexually intercoursed, then the sperm of the male testis goes to the ova of the ovary. Then sperm and ova fertilized to form zygote or single-celled embryo, which is diploid in the process of insemination, through which coupling or sexual intercourse. When insemination occurs, if male and female are coupling with each other, then insemination is occur. After insemination, the fertilization also occur. After fertilization, the zygote or single-celled embryo also form, that is diploid or 2N. Haploid N sperm and haploid N ova is combined to form diploid 2N. Students, next class I will go to what are the procedure of the reproduction and total elaboration of